Our Novavax clinical trial last appointment is today. We signed up for the COVID vaccine clinical trial back at the very beginning. Our first shot was in February of 2021, and now here we are. This is our last day. Novavax is a different vaccine than any of the other COVID vaccines on the market. It is based on the older technology. What our chickenpox vaccines and flu vaccines and so forth are based on, that's what Novavax has been based on. So it's a little bit more tried and true, which is actually one of the things that attracted me to the program. And then I got him involved.
She dragged me along, but that was okay.
I did. Plus, they often pay, so the money was nice. That's not why we signed up, though. So we're going to go and do whatever it is they do. Usually it is the nasal swab and lab work. They've been checking that every few months to follow along with how much we have as far as...
antibodies?
Yeah, word.
Them things, yeah.
Sorry, you all. Yeah, last appointment. It's kind of bittersweet.
Yeah, it's been a really good experience.
See you in a minute.
What they kept the schedule so that you're still within that 2-year period, because you kind of added the boosters and changed the schedule some. Within the 2 year, so day 240 in the study visit. Okay.
Okay. There you go.
So if you'll check no for that booster part, because it's already over with.
Okay.
And then just sign that and print.
He did. He was good.
Hey.
Okay, the usual questions for you in the last 2 weeks: any large gatherings, more than 10 people, or around anybody with COVID at the church in the last 2 weeks, right? Okay.
Read that. That's done. Why we got into it was, for myself anyway, it was the combination of the older technology, plus I felt like the whole world was in this ginormous clinical trial anyway. The money was nice, although that was not the primary reason. I also like the idea of being able to get the shot earlier, because we lived in Tennessee. It was going to be a while before they got to me, and I had a number of health concerns that it was really going to be pretty dangerous for me if I got COVID, and we even saw that transpire. Why did you get into it?
Well, primarily so we could get the shot before it would be available otherwise. And the money was nice, not going to lie, but primarily so we could get the shot. And we ran the risk that, well, it was experimental technology, but also that we would either get the shot or a placebo, and nobody knew. That was part of the testing protocol. But we decided the risk was worth it on both accounts, and so we went for it. For me, it was being able to get it before I would have otherwise.
And then once our numbers came up for the state of Tennessee, we contacted the group and they unblinded us so we would know, and we did indeed get the shot. Later, they started introducing the boosters, and we were given the opportunity to re-up.
That was cool, and it was a surprise to both of us that we actually got the shot, because we had 0 side effects.
Yeah, none.
I thought for sure we had both gotten the placebo, but no, we had the actual shot.
Yeah.
No soreness,
no being sick,
nothing.
No soreness. Yeah. As far as like where we got it, it was not close to home. We had to drive over an hour. There are only a few
locations, sites, whatever.
Yes. He gave us the opportunities to go ahead and get it done despite driving over an hour. So I would do that again.
Yes, absolutely.
You would too.
In a heartbeat.
So as far as when the trial was, it started taking applicants late 2020 and got my first shot in 21, and it was a really pretty cool thing.
Yeah, it was. I'm glad we did it. In fact, I told them if they had other trials to contact us, we'd be interested. And so it was well worth it.
Yeah. If you have any questions about being in this particular clinical trial, drop it down in the comments before. This is not the first study that I've been in. I was also in one at the NIH for the phemochromocytoma possibilities there, as well as an asthma study over at Duke University. So I can answer questions based on those 3 experiences. Let me know if you got any questions, just drop them, and thank you all for watching. Because remember, we are always about the hashtag Be Bodacious on this channel, which means you're not going to let life get in the way of living. Check out the videos that are popping up on the end screens right now about my service dog and travel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!